Hi, welcome to ELF Center 5. This is the power of sound in our Earth, in our year-long unit, Earth and Sky. This one's Air and Sound, and this is our only sound center, so please be sure and incorporate this one into your ELF day. We are going to have 4 little experiments in this one, and again it's about sound, so we're reinforcing the idea that air is invisible but it exists, and we're going to show that sound waves are also invisible but they are able to detect. So we'll start with the first experiment. We have a box with tuning forks in. There's 4 of them instead of 2. You can choose to let the children all try this if you've got an older, more mature group, or have the parent volunteer do it. But we're going to take a glass of water. We have extra glasses. And we're going to take one of our tuning forks out of this box. And you're going to whack it on the edge of the desk, but I don't want to whack on this nice dining room table, so I'm going to whack it right here on this stapler. Hold it by the edge of as far down as you can. I'm going to whack it and then put it in the water. Oh, that one didn't work. Hang on. I gotta hit it really hard. Okay, there we go. Did you see the sound waves? I hope you did. I don't know how the quality of the video is. But then you're going to be able to talk about how sound. So the vibrations are happening in the fork and it affects the water and there's ripples on the water. Very simple, very basic. The next experiment using the tuning fork, and you can again do this with as many kids as you like. We have in this Ziploc needles on a piece of elastic and a roll of thread. So you can string up a Rice Krispie. I had a couple dry runs and I had to try a couple Rice Krispies. But eventually I did get it on the needle and thread. Got a Rice Krispie here. And I'm going to string it all the way through to the thread. Watch, it'll break now. Oh. No. The thread's trying to get off. There we go. Okay. So it helps when you whisper with these things. Okay, so now I have a Rice Krispie on the string. Scooch it down even further, and I'm going to have my trusty videographer also hold and see if she can do it all. There we go, and we're going to hold that tight. We're going to whack the tuning fork as far low as we can, and we're going to put it. The Rice Krispie is moving away. If you get a small enough one, the Rice Krispie will actually vibrate in between there. Oh, there it goes. So that the kids will love that. They think it's alive or something, and they make all kinds of loud noises. So this is a very simple one, also showing that sound waves are invisible, but they're there. So that's a good experiment for our kids. Again, all this stuff will be in this little box here. The next experiment is called Why 2 Ears. So this is going to be for our kids to detect the location of a sound while they're blindfolded, I believe. So you're going to have one student with a blindfold and plugging their ear, and then they're going to try to identify the sound. So this would be a good center to do in the quiet hallway. If they're doing the pine cone parachutes, you might not want to do it by the atrium because that'll be noisy. But we're going to talk about how important it is for us to have 2 ears to find balance. So you'll have your kids in a circle, and one kid will go in the middle, and we'll have one student in the circle clap, and that student will try to the middle student will try to point out where it is, and then you can repeat with plugging one ear or the other. Hopefully each child will get a chance to try this. And again, this one's called Why 2 Ears on the outline. Lastly, we have Do You Hear What I Hear? And this one's pretty fun too. We've got a little bag of all kinds of things to jingle or jangle near a kid and see if they can identify the sounds. We do have enough of these for kids to break into pairs, although it will kind of give up, like it's easy to distinguish stuff once you've seen what it is. But if you can try and keep these hidden, that'll be great until the kids do it. So we'll get some blindfolds in here. We have some Velcro, twigs to snap, keys to jingle, a zipper to zip, a comb to make the sounds of a comb when you mess with the teeth. And we also have staples to click. And we have glasses in here, not only for the first part of this center, but also to blow bubbles in. So this would just be kind of a fun thing to do. And maybe you could do 1 sound per child, blindfold one child and pick out 1 sound, and then go around in the circle, and each child gets a chance to hear what they are hearing and see if they can identify what it is. Yeah, I think I covered all that's in here. Yes, I did. So that is Center 5. If we're running low on supplies, please let us know at mitchellelf@gmail.com. And if you've got any questions, let us know that as well. Thank you.